What do you say? Only.
Let me introduce you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another interesting vlog, and this vlog promises to be a fun-filled vlog. You are going to enjoy this vlog, trust me. So guys, I'm officially announcing to you guys I am getting married. It's my wedding week, guys, and that is what this vlog is all about. I'm going to be taking you guys along with my last minute preparation. Today is 9th of May 2022, which is a Monday, and Saturday later this week, which is 14th May 2022, I'll be getting married by God's grace. Yeah, so guys, I'll be taking you guys along with my last minute preparation. So first thing first, I am going to get to the salon today, take out my cornrows and relax my hair. I'm going to be retouching my hair because tomorrow I'll be making my hair. Of course, I'll be taking you guys along, but before heading to the salon now, I am going to head to Amala joint because I've been craving for Amala and Ewedu soup since a while now. So I am going to get my cravings satisfied before heading to the salon. So you guys, I'm going to be seeing you soon. So guys, it's 12th of May, which is Thursday, and today I'll be going to my father's house in Ogun State because I'll be getting married in my father's house. Of course, where else would I have got married? So yeah, so I'll be traveling to Ogun State today with two of my friends, and one would be coming from Ondo State, Akure to be precise, and the other one is in Ibadan. Yes, we'll be moving together. So before then, I want to quickly get my henna done. I'll take you guys along, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Kasha, look who we have here, baby! Good to see you. Look at my baby. Oh, so cute. Yeah. What do you say? Only. My hyena people. Mama, say hi. Say hi. Happy pieces, yeah. hi to the camera now. What the shakara? Bimbo, say hi. We got home and I couldn't vlog. I had to just get into actions. We had to join all hands on desk and we had to sort things out. I couldn't get anyone to give my phone to vlog because everyone was busy with one thing or the other. So I'm currently fixing my makeup and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my wedding highlights because I'm going to be uploading it. So right now we are still on the makeup. So catch you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more because you're definitely going to see so many contents coming up. Bimbo, say hi. You're going to be funny. Catch you guys later.